Hey, fourth grade, we're going to continue talking about perimeter today. Now we're going to be talking about what if one of the sides is missing on a irregular shape? What can we do? Okay, so here's our shape. Right now we don't have any measurements on the sides, so let's get in some of the ones that we will have. We have 18 centimeters, and over here we have 7 centimeters. But we do not have this missing side. So now is the time to really think about our opposite sides. So our left side here and our right side are the same height, essentially. So we have to think about if we added that bottom red space up to the top blue space, could that equal the other side? So if you combine the height, you will find that you can reach that missing side because that's the same height from bottom to top. So we're going to find that red side by subtracting 18 centimeters minus the 7 centimeters, and that will give us that 9 centimeters. And so now we have found that little missing side right here. Okay, so now what about these other, we have 3 more sides that we're missing. These 2 tops and then this bottom. Okay, so let's have the information that we already know, 18, 9, and 7. Start to find these other missing sides. This top is going to be 6 centimeters. This one is going to be 5. So now we have to think about what is opposite from these. Well, if you look at these, they're both going horizontal, and at the bottom there's a horizontal line. And so I think if we combined this top horizontal line and this horizontal line in the middle, that if we added those together, I bet that would equal this bottom missing piece. So if you can imagine moving that top piece down and making it even with that other one, we can see that that would be parallel to and equivalent to the length of that bottom piece. So if you added that 6 centimeters plus that 5 centimeters, you would find that it is 11 centimeters. Now we have found all of our sides. We have our vertical sides with our 18, 9, and 7, and our horizontal sides with 6, 5, and 11. So we can start to add them all up to find our perimeter. I like to add mine in order from least to greatest. It's also a good idea to go on and mark each one of these as you find them and cross them off so that we don't add one twice or forget one. But once you add them all up, we will get that 56 centimeters. I want you to watch one more example. We have our irregular shape. We can see that we're missing a side. So it's going to take those vertical sides and subtract the difference to find that missing 3 centimeters. Then we work on the horizontal sides. Same thing. And now once we have all of our sides, we're adding them up. And you can see those little red boxes are them crossing them off or eliminating them as they use them in their total. And their total was 42 centimeters around the perimeter. All right, it is your turn. You only have 3 problems like this and 1 irregular shape, and I know you guys are going to do great. All right, see you guys soon.